We all need documents in our real life. We keep the documents for the record purposes. Whenever we buy any property, then we go for the documents. We join any job and we need appointment letter. All those things are classified under the documents. But in the legal eye, document means something more. So what Indian Evidence Act says about document, that document means any matter expressed or described upon any substance. It means that it does not need to be necessarily a paper. It is described on any substance. That substance can be paper, that substance can be stone, substance can be a wall, that substance can be plastic, anything. Anything which can be perceived by the physical kinesthetic senses or can be seen by the eyes is a substance. And it also includes electronic document. Does it necessarily mean by writing or by typing? No, it does not mean that. It includes letters, figures or marks, or by more than one of these means. Mean to say, it can be a combination of a letter, figure or marks, or it can be individual letter, figure or mark expressed or described upon any substance. And the purpose of the document is that it is intended to be used. Mean to say, when document was getting produced, it was already intended for. Like we go ahead for kind of a contract or purchase and lease of the registry or all those stuff. So there we are intending to be produced it as a document, or which may be used. It means that initially it was not intended for that purpose, but in the later circumstances it may be used as a document for the purpose of recording that particular matter. So what are the various examples of a document? Writing is a document. Words printed is a document. Lithographed or photographed. Mean to say, lithographed means carved on stone, written on stone, or clicking a photograph. These are all documents. A map or a plan is also a document. An inscription on a metal plate is also a document. And a caricature. Caricature means we sketch a cartoon and all those stuff. Suppose somebody has made a cartoon of some political leader, or they want to say something through that caricature. Like there are various cartoonists who make these kind of caricatures. So all these are classified as the document. Document can be of various type, public document or private document, that we will be talking in our next video. Thank you.